All right, so we're going to need a matching nut for this bolt. So we're going to create a new design. And we'll start off with a sketch. Again, not super critical about which surface we start on. And obviously, we might even just start with the hole in the middle of the nut, which is going to be 3 mil. It's going to have to do that M3. And then on the outside, I'm going to create another polygon. And if you look at we are at 5.4 millimeters. So from one side to the other. So remember, when we're creating polygons, 5.4, we need to use the radius, so 5.4 divided by 2 to create the outside edge. Again, we can use one of our constraints to lock it in place. So horizontal, vertical, click on one of the edges, we'll lock it so it's nice and straight. We'll finish our sketch. Change the angle, and then we'll add an extrusion, and it's going to be 2.4 millimeters. Enter. Of course, also create a thread on the inside of this thread. You do exactly the same way. You're going to click on the internal cylinder. Again, you can model it, or you can leave it as just a texture. And okay. If you hit the A key, that will bring up what's called the appearance menu. So you have a keyboard shortcut for that one. Everything by default is got a satin steel finish to it. So if you look down the library, currently got glass select. There's a whole bunch of different materials you could apply to this surface. So you could paint it black, or you could paint it a different metal color. So add a little bit of color to your models rather than it just being the standard steel color. All right, so you want to save this one up. So File, Save. Again, you want to save it into your project. I'm going to call this one M3 nut and hit save. All right, that's all for this one.